A podcast will premiere soon, highlighting developments in new technology. The Excellent Exo Podcast will be a resource for construction industry, sharing about the latest tech that will make your lives safer. The podcast will be produced by ASTM Center of Excellence, a nonprofit organization that develops and publishes approximately 12,000 technical standards covering the procedures for testing and classification of materials of every sort, including exoskeletons. The podcast will be hosted by Dr. William Balott and Nora Nimricher, who have been on the front lines of developing exoskeleton technology. Each month, Bill and Nora will give you an inside look into what's happening with manufacturers and researchers who are in the process of making these exoskeletons, robotics, and new technology part of our everyday tools on the job sites. Topics on upcoming episodes are what are exoskeletons and how important is the ExoFit, and discussions on fatigue on the job site and much more. Here's a sneak peek of the podcast.
Welcome to the Excellent Exo Chat with Bill and Nora.
I always thought that an exoskeleton was something that you threw on and there was no type of actuator to it or batteries or service life. I had no idea that there were different type of exos out there.
You adjust the fit of the exoskeleton to the person as needed.
Joining us on the podcast is Don Peterson. Welcome, Don.
Thank you for having me. Yeah, so I'm currently serving as the chair of Committee F48 on exoskeletons and exosuits.
Depending on your application for this, different exoskeletons are going to make good sense for you. You know, there's not a one size fit all, and there's not one exoskeleton that's going to work for everybody.
We're excited to announce that the Excellent Exo Chat podcast is being launched mid-March.
We're going to cover exoskeletons, robotics, and emerging technologies. It's going to be great. Please join us.
We are excited to be partnering with the Excellent Exo Chat podcast. You'll be able to find it along with our family of podcasts like Down with the Dig and Ohio Labor's Union and You. And another podcast debuting soon, Real Construction Stories, featuring episodes as told by individuals who experience the situations firsthand. This is all part of our promise to keep you informed on what is happening on and off the job site, keeping you safe as we build America. Look for the links to all of these shows below in the description. For LNN, I'm Bethany Billy.